Today, I'll show you how to get MySQL up and running on Windows in a few minutes. I've dropped the download link in the description, so click that and choose MySQL installer for Windows. Go ahead and download the installer. This single file will handle the whole setup, so it's super handy. You don't need to sign up to download the installer. Run the installer and pick custom when it asks. From the available components, choose MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL Shell. That's all we need for now. Before you hit install, take a quick look at the installation path to make sure it's where you want it. Start the installation and relax for a minute. It won't take long. When you reach the configuration step, you'll see the port. Leave it as is unless you have a reason to change it. I recommend selecting the strong password option and create a secure password you can remember. Also make sure standard system account is selected for the server user, then continue through the setup. If you follow along like I do here, MySQL Workbench will open automatically at the end. Use the connection we created and log in with the password you just set. We're almost finished. To make MySQL accessible from the command prompt, you need to add the server's bin folder to your environment variables. Copy the bin path, open environment variables, edit the path entry, and paste it in. Save and close everything. Now open command prompt and type MySQL version. If you see the version number, congrats. Installation is complete. Let's try a quick test. I've added a handy random data generator site in the description. Copy the SQL script from there. First, I'm going to create a database called Turtle Code. You can do it with this command. To work inside this database, I'll use the use command. Next, I'll run the script I copied earlier. When you execute the code, you'll see that the insert operation was successful. Now let's run a select. Everything looks perfect. If you like this walkthrough and want more coding content, check the courses tab on my channel. There are lots of free tutorials. You can also support the channel by joining or subscribing. Thanks for watching, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.